Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a brief look at the Bitcoin market. So mostly the situation stands the same here. We're watching for reaction on the resistance. That market has touched on the daily chart, so you can see the major fib level. Also an agreement by the Judd Napoli framework, because it's a combination of the level and A, B, C, D 1618 extension target. And it's also accompanied by the daily overbought, so the pretty nice resistance cluster that market should react somehow on this reaching of this target, especially taking into consideration the market was in a long-term downside action. Here's at least the 30% pullback probably should happen. Yesterday we see that market mostly has formed the inside session compared to the previous one, but before that, 2 days ago, it was a kind of the shooting star pattern has been forming here, and by the spike up, market finally has hit the 5140. That's precisely number of target the XLP, it's 1618 ABCD extension, because days before when the rally has happened, it hasn't quite reached it. So that was just a completion of this target, and also market has tested the fib level. So all the stuff we already discussed previously. Currently, as a target of the pullback target, we are watching for combination of the two levels, 44.30, 45.70. This is confidence support on 4-hour time frame chart, on the daily as well. And here we are expect some kind of the A, B, C, D action down. So currently it's still the question in what shape this will happen, based on the what pattern that will happen. But usually when the market reacts on the strong resistance level, it forms kind of the two-leg retracement, something like the ABCD pattern, something of that sort. Our suggestion, guys, that should be some kind of the hand and shoulders pattern, so something of that sort. Because previously we already talked about the possible, here it was the butterfly, market has completed it. Yesterday we talked about minor hand and shoulders here, and it has been worked pretty nice. Somehow market should hit the neckline or something of that sort, so we need just to see the completion of this pattern. If you would trade on intraday charts and you would like to take the position on this retracement, you need to get the clear pattern in place. But following the harmony of this pattern, so since the hand shoulders is a harmonic pattern, the entry point should be somewhere in an area of the left shoulder, in an area of the left arm. And that will be somewhere around 51, 51.20 maybe. Currently it's still unclear how market will climb here, whether it will hit the neckline first or it will show a pullback, upside pullback right from here, hitting of this area. Just wait and see what will happen. Why I think that market still could drop lower and hit the neckline, because guys, here if you will take into consideration this kind of the A, B, C, top, D pattern, you will see that market hasn't quite reached the A, B, C, D target. So from that standpoint, it could show another leg down before meaningful retracement will start. But this is not really a very crucial moment, because we do not want, we do not intend to trying to gamble and take the position in advance of this pattern. We anyway will be watching for its completion, when the market will form the hand shoulders total, when will stand in place, and we will see the right arm is forming. Only after that we could think about the taking position. But currently, when this pattern is not completed yet, the market hasn't estimated the neckline yet, I think that it's time for expectation. So just time for waiting when the pattern will be completed totally. For daily traders who trade on the daily chart and searching chance to go long, this is also the time to sit on the hands and wait when this reaction on the major resistance will be over. Kind of the ABCD pattern here could give us Gardner's triple to buy, large pattern, and that should be somewhere around the confidence on the follow time frame chart, as we have discussed, and that will be the opportunity to go long on Bitcoin. So it's probably, maybe it will happen on the next week. But currently we're just watching for a pattern that should become the background for the market reaction on the weekly resistance. That's our trading plan right now.